Hey everybody, John Bonham here, also known as Cape Cod Wet Shaving. How are you? Happy Halloween. This is going to be a really quick shave. I say that every time, but I actually got to go. We're going here in a couple of hours, I think like 2 hours. So I still got to get dressed, get my kids ready, all that. I did want to squeeze in a shave though. My intent had been to do like a scary story, something like that. Unfortunately, I did not get to that. It's just been, with the baby, it's been busy as hell. So coffee of the day, I don't have it with me. I forgot it. That's how in a rush I am. It's Starbucks butterscotch. And I had a little mishap where my handle snapped off of my mug. This is a very sentimental mug. Instead of just buying a new one, I wanted to fix it. Instead of drilling a hole through it, I went this route. Very hillbilly, isn't it? But means a lot to me. I'll tell you why in some other video. Really, really, really good though. It's like smoky butterscotch. So today's shave is going to be, since it's Halloween, I was saving this, Hallows from Barrister and Mann. Absolutely great scent. I like it a lot. Scent notes are vetiver, oak moss, pepper, cocoa, labdanum, and cedar. Okay, the cedar and the cocoa together, I think, make this. I love that Will did not go the usual candy, sweet, candy corn route. Nothing wrong with that. I like that, but, I like something different as well. So, really good. Gonna have the matching splash with that and matching balm, okay? And for pre-shave, already on my face, I used the Rebels Refinery Beard and Pre-Shave Oil. I like this stuff. Sweet, kind of very faint barbershop-y scent to it, but I like it. And the skulls match nicely. So, is that it for software? Yep. For hardware, using my Cobble Hill Farm purple, I forget what this is, walnut, I think. I'll have to ask John. How you doing, John, on the off chance you see this? I'm using this skull brush. I got it online. I just randomly found it. I Googled it, and I don't know what brand it is, but nice little brush. And I'm using, because they match, my Big Ben blades. These are okay. Not terrible. Not the best, but not bad either. I always forget they're made by Lord. Go figure, Pakistan? Nope, Egypt. Good deal. Okay, so, in the bowl, my Foster shaves, no, not Foster shaves, Foster Studio Memento Mori shave brush, shave bowl. I need to slow it down a little. I already got the lather in there so I can get going. I'm more than likely just going to do one pass on camera and then do the rest off. So, hope everyone is excited. I'm very excited. I love Halloween, always have. This is the first of what I call the big three for holidays. Got Halloween, Thanksgiving, which I absolutely love. Doesn't get enough recognition in my opinion. For most people, it's just a bridge before the holidays, before things get crazy, and unfortunately, companies treat it as such. There's my toddler. Yeah, you're starting to hear him in every video. He's in full-scale terrible twos. He's not even 2 yet. He's 18 months old. But he's big for his age. So he's climbing, throwing, kicking, screaming, tantruming. Good times. So, kids, gotta love it. Oh, forgot my bowl. All right, y'all get to hear water. All right. Really disappointed I didn't get to do a scary story shave, but it is what it is. I can't put life on hold. My wife's still healing from her C-section, so I still have to do a lot of the heavy lifting and stuff with my 1-year-old. We do go outside since the weather's, we're in that cusp where the weather's changing, but it's not crazy cold. We've already had below freezing, if you can believe that, which is unusual for us for October. But yet today, the high was 70. So it's one of those. So, couple of things. I'm hopefully working on a collaboration with someone for a piece of hardware. Still in talks, so I don't want to say too much. I might have already mentioned this. But here's hoping. I'm excited about that. I'm hoping by Christmas, we'll see though. And then we got Movember right around the corner. This is what's going to upset a few people, I think. For Movember, I don't really have many ways I can participate, except for one that I can think of, and it's going to piss people off. I think I'm going to get rid of the stash. Temporarily. I like it. It's grown on me. Yeah, pun intended. But the opposite of growing one, I think I'll get rid of it. Figure that'd be nice. Nice shock, because most people know me for the Doc Holiday stash. Most people like it, except for my spouse. Part of the reason I want to shave it off. This has been a while. My 1-year-old has never been kissed without me having a mustache. My baby, my new baby, has not been kissed without me having a stash. So I figured that'd be fun. All right, 6 minutes. All right, I'll go ahead and do a second pass on camera. Man, those soaps are so thirsty. A little bit in there. Omnibus base is thirsty. This year too, I'm bringing my kids to a different neighborhood. Our neighborhood was never really great with participation for Halloween, but the last couple of years they've just been crummy. And I think I told the story about my daughter's pumpkin in case you didn't hear about it in one of my videos. Last year, my daughter, who was 8 at the time, for the first time carved her own pumpkin herself. We gave her, one of the little pumpkin carving kits. She didn't have an overly sharp knife or anything, but she was very proud of it. Almost wanted it in her room. Actually, she did want it in her room. We, of course, told her no. But on Halloween, before we went trick-or-treating, we left a bowl of candy out with a note that said, "Free, please be fair." And last second, she said, "Can I put my pumpkin next to the bowl of candy so everyone can see it and enjoy it?" And I said, "Of course, absolutely." Didn't think twice about it. We go out trick-or-treating, we come back home. Bowl's completely empty, tossed to the side, and someone had shattered her pumpkin right there on the driveway. There's nothing like being a parent, seeing someone hurt your kid and not being able to do a thing about it. Like, that's one of the rare times I wanted to go and find a little kid and not hit him, but put the fear of God into him. We'll put it that way. And so this year, we're not giving out candy. And I'm glad I thought of this. Hope you like this photo. Because my daughter wanted to carve a pumpkin again. She said, "Dad, what if someone smashes it?" I said, "I have an idea. Good luck. Because if you get up there to get it, we got some other issues." So it's going to be up there where everyone can still see it and enjoy it, and they can't touch it. So, it's just what bothered me was that clearly a kid had done it. Not just that it was a kid's pumpkin, but you could tell that a child had carved it themselves. And they still bashed it. So that cost them our participation, unfortunately. Which sucks. I have never, ever, ever, ever not given away candy on Halloween. But that did it. All the little kids that were here when we moved here. They ain't kids anymore, they're little punks, some of them. I think I talked about one family in particular that live around the corner from us. Yeah, I did, because they go around in the trailer and the parents get drunk. So, anyway. My son, my oldest, his girlfriend is in college, and they're doing a thing at the school. It's more to promote, it's to keep the kids at the school and safe, which I think is pretty neat. So they're doing a Halloween thing there, and she invited my son to go, and it's about 45 minutes away, so he's driving on Halloween night that far. So I'm nervous about him, but he's 18. He just bought his own car, and he and I went to the DMV, and he just paid $160 for registration and for the title. 75, 80 bucks for, no, 160 bucks. 85 for the title, no, 85 for the registration, 75, something like that, whatever. Yeah, whatever, $160. 75 for the registration, who cares, you get it, just add it up. Sorry. Brain fart and a half. So that was a nice thing to do. He got to sit there at the DMV and feel that panic of not knowing if he filled out everything correctly and was wasting his time. Because isn't that fun? You go through all the trouble. Like, you filled out form F1083. You need form F427. That's happened to me a few times. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and 11 minutes in. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna do touch-ups, and I'll be back and I'll do post on camera. Okay? Be right back. Almost forgot. I didn't talk about the scent. So throughout the shave, I've had the cocoa, I've had the cedar, and I've had the oak moss. It's really, really, really nice. You can tell there's a little hint of the pepper. Oddly enough, I don't smell any vetiver. I think that's more for balance, even though it's the first note. It's there, obviously, but labdanum, I don't know. I'm not good enough to really notice it. It's all there, obviously, but just wanted you to know, cocoa, not overwhelming. It's not Hershey's that you're smearing on your face. It's the cocoa with a little bit of the pepper and the cedar and the oak moss. The cocoa and the oak moss are really nice. So, very nice. So, let me go ahead and do touch-ups. And yeah, I already told you all that. One sec. Okie doke. Post shave with this stuff so good. I love Omnibus. It's absolutely fantastic. Will does a good job. Well, Will and the whole crew, not just Will. Barrister and Mann's a whole team. Will and his mom. I forget the name of the lady that does social media stuff. Sometimes it's Will. Sometimes it's his mom, I believe. I know Paula does a great job. Oh, with the packaging, when you order directly from them, she does such a wonderful job with the presentation of it. You open it up and it's just a lot of care and love put into it, which is really sweet of her, seeing as how many orders they probably have a day. Never ceases to disappoint. I wish I had gotten the EDP for this. Go see if they have it. I doubt it. So splash, more oak moss, a lot more cedar. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's so good. The cedar's right at the trail end of that. All right, go ahead and do the balm. Yeah. Uh-oh. Balm's not working. Shake it. Come on. There it comes. Oh, I did way too much. I should have done one squeeze. That sucks. Ah, look at that. Because I try to, that's way too much. I try to push down and then turn the thing so it closes. And I completely just wasted. Look at all that. Damn. Oh well. Nothing I can do about it. Cocoa-y, oak mossy. Oh well. Hopefully they come out with this again in the next couple years, because I just wasted a bunch of that. Not a big deal. There they are playing. You hear them? It's my little girl playing with her little brother. She's a good girl. Okay, let me rinse that off. I'll be right back again, and I will do my closing comments, whatever. Okay, 15 minutes. Still longer than I meant to, but whatever. FYI, Barrister and Mann balm is one of the best balms I've ever used in wet shaving. Just putting that out there. Absolutely fantastic. Part of how I judge it too is how my beard feels. I mean, balm is balm. It's not meant for hair, it's meant for skin. But a lot of the balms I use, it makes my hair really, really sticky, makes it clean, makes it brittle when it dries. It's annoying to shape it, all that stuff. This stuff just keeps it nice and silky and soft. Fantastic. All right, and chase it with coffee. I'm almost done with it. I'll tell the story about this one day. I have a screw, see it, with a washer going into that. Keep it attached. My oldest son loved it. He laughed. He's like, that makes it look awesome. I gotta get that barcode off. So, oh well. All right, so I'm gonna walk around dressed as a cowboy. Sun's starting to set, so I gotta get going. Happy Halloween, everybody. Y'all, please, please, please be safe out there. Don't do anything stupid. If you happen to do anything like I did when I was young, don't get caught, because you'll probably go to jail. At least for trespassing, at the very least. And I'll leave it at that. Maybe I should have told some stories about when I was a kid. I got pulled over when I was 16. I had to go to court for this because it was the first ticket I got, first major ticket. Popped for about 3 in the morning for curfew violation on Halloween. My first Halloween as a driver. Even better, it was literally within walking distance of my own house. Driving around with my friend Jeff, my friend Scott, and some girl, I can't remember. And we were up to no good, of course. So anywho, that's a story for another day. Appreciate it. I do want to get, I don't know if I should plug this or not. I will. SJM Beard Butter. It's a guy named Steven. I don't know if he makes this anymore. I know he was trying to do his own business. I don't think it did too well. But I got this about 3 years ago. So you can see it's Halloween. I don't think the scent notes are on this. This is very candy corn scented. So delicious stuff. I've been using this. Just thought I'd give him a quick plug. Hope he's doing well. Really nice guy. And that'll do it. Happy Halloween. Y'all take care. I might do a live when I get rid of this. We'll see. I might just do a video. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Y'all take care. Happy Halloween. Till next time, happy shaving. Take care of one another. See you next time.